So, welcome back, guys, and my time lapse kind of crapped out on me, but this is the donor Silverado. Got my family here, and just to give you guys a quick show up, this is the 5.3 I got pulled out of the donor Silverado. That's going to be going into that truck right over there, and I'm going to be doing what is essentially the rear main seal and the LS oil barbell. Right here, it's a little dirty. The OEM one is made out of plastic. It's around here somewhere, and it's a pile of, right there it is. It's a pile of crap. So I'm gonna be revving the crap out of this thing, and hopefully this won't be a problem. The other one should let a little bit more passage go through. I'll put the link in the Amazon, or link for Amazon where I bought it from, and all these other parts. But yeah, just stick with me, and I gotta pressure wash this ugly thing, knock the ugly off of it. But this is like 1 day's worth of work, and the other truck was also 1 day's worth of work, but a little bit different. That one I didn't have to be nice to it because I don't care about the parts that are coming off of it. I already sold the motor, fortunately. Sold it this morning, so I have to now clean this thing up, get it ready for getting swapped into that truck over there. So sit tight. So here we are, one long day of work later, and rear main seal is put on. This is all cleaned up, torqued down to spec. Don't really need this for a while, and the parts that are going to go on the back of that motor are going to be this. It is a center force clutch for LS engines. Really sweet little it's a pressure plate. I didn't realize this came with flywheel bolts, but comes with bearings, comes with the alignment tool right up here. All the sweet little kind of like these I think they're called like weighted fingers. The pressure plates and the clutch is in here already. And what will go on the motor is going to be these new ARP head studs, because I don't ever want to do this ever again. And a Sachs, I think it's like this part right here, NFW 1050. I picked this up at my local AutoZone, like $100 after like a little discount. So OEM spec flywheel that's going to bolt right up to this thing. I don't need to shim it or anything like that, but the whole wiring harness is in. Mind the 2x4, it's there just to kind of keep the chain off the coil packs, as you can see. But yeah, super sweet little setup that's going to get ready. I'm kind of done for today. Done working. I'm way too tired to keep going. But this is one whole day worth of working. I started about 9:30 in the morning, and this was one complete running truck when I started, and now it is a resealed motor ready to rock. I am tempted to pressure wash this, but I don't want to get my pressure washer out right now. I'm just plain too tired. But yeah, so far so good. I might just hit it with some engine grease because right down there it's a little cruddy, but that's more because of the oil pan gasket, and don't really want to mess with that right now. But yeah, this is gonna be ready to go into the truck if I can get a chance to pressure wash. I don't have to pressure wash it, it's fine. But right now, I'm just gonna clean up, call it a day. I might work on it tomorrow. Today's Saturday, so tomorrow might be day 3. We'll see. But yeah, I will catch you guys later. So here we are. Clutch from center force clutches is on. All greased up, cleaned up. Got some blue thread locker on that. Both pilot bearings are in. Used the tool and everything. It all checks out. Next is to stab on and marry the manual transmission, the 5-speed that is tucked away over there. All right. So this is it right here for the end of day 2.5, I think. This is Sunday. I'm leaving today. We ended up mounting the transmission to the 5.3. Went on pretty smoothly. Mind the 2x4 that I stuck in there to keep the coil packs, so the chain off the coil pack, so they don't get damaged. We rolled the single cab back into the shop, and the donor gets to go back outside. And yeah, she's almost ready now. I'm gonna throw the whole thing, the whole harness, the whole everything right back into the truck. That way, it still thinks it's a 5.3 with an automatic transmission. There's not really a lot of these pigtails that I think that can hook up to that transmission, except for the. I think a couple will, some won't. I think this. I don't know if this is a speed sensor or the reverse sensor. I gotta like flip or something. But for the most part, everything should be able to work under the right circumstances. I'm gonna keep the computer together with this truck, so it's gonna think it has like a different VIN when it turns back on, or it's gonna think it has the same VIN when I get it running. But yeah, this is all cleaned up, pressure washed. Not the greatest pressure washing, but you know, it's cleaner than it was before. Got all the grime and all the nastiness off of it. I didn't pressure wash this yet. Still don't really feel like doing it. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys on day 3. Yeah, this is just day 2.5. I didn't do much today. So I will catch you guys later.